Back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create this AI test that has been going viral now. It's still new, but it's beginning to go viral. I don't know if you've been seeing something like this, Anna template. A lot of templates here that you can customize. Guys, this is so beautiful. So guys, I don't know whatever browser you use, but for me I use Chrome. So you just go to your Chrome and type Ideogram.AI. Ideogram. So guys, if you're using this for the first time, it's going to ask you to log in to sign up with your Google account. So you need to have a Google account before you can use this app. You need to sign in with your Google account. So I've signed in already, but if you're registering, you'll see where you sign it. It will tell you to sign in with your Google account. So if you tap on this plus sign, if you have any prompts that you want to generate, you can just type it here and it will generate it for you. Once you type here, it will show this generate, then you tap on generate to generate for you. But let's work with the templates that are there now. I want to work with the template first, so we'll go ahead and choose any templates that we want. So I pick this template, tap on remix, and then you can edit the text there. So Zincraft, I'm going to change it to Fuller Threads. So I'll edit the annotation. I'll remove the annotation from it. Logo, a yarn and crochet hook. So let me put that yarn, a gold yarn. So I'll make it a gold yarn and crochet hook. So a purple logo with the name, a purple logo with the text Fuller Threads, a purple logo with the text Fuller Threads, with a gold yarn and crochet hook. So this is what I'm generating. So this is exactly what I'm generating. So let me tap generate this first. Let's see what it's going to be. So in the meantime, let's look at the other templates that are there. You can see this one with Jacamia. So different ones that you can customize. You can put your name here. You can see other business logos here that you can work with. So a lot of logos here, a lot of names. You can put your name here in this flower. You can do a lot of things. You can do this for your friends. There are friends templates, there are family templates. There are a lot of templates here. So many beautiful templates that you can work with. You can use this for maybe for your birthday, and then you can just edit and put your age and the rest. So you can see other business logos here that you can also use. So other business logos are here that you can work with. All right, let's see. Generation progress is at 99%. So guys, our result is here, and what you need to do now is just click down on it, and then you see download image, and I'm going to go ahead and download it. So just tap down on this, download image, and download them. So I think I'm going to download all 4 results. So guys, let's try this. You have this couple one. If you want your name, so let me tap on this one. Okay, let's say I want to customize a name for myself. So I'll tap on this template and I'll tap on remix. So having tap on remix, you can see name Jacamia. So just edit this Jacamia and put your name. My name is Miriam, so I'm going to type Miriam here. And then if I want to edit any of these prompts, you can see tutus. We have elbow, sunflowers, rainbow, kawaii, elbow, butterfly, hearts, and the rest. So if you want to edit any of this, or maybe you want to add more to it, you can just add it in the prompt. You can generate your prompt here. Actually guys, you can generate prompt for any image that you want here, and you can see the image height. If you want to increase the height a little bit, you can tap on this plus sign to increase the height, but I'm not going to change anything here. But if you want to, you can go ahead and do it. The only thing I want to do here now is to just edit the name and put my name. So having done that, I'm going to tap on this generate, and we'll wait for our generation is completed. So let's go back to it. You can see now this is the result. So I think all 4 results are great, but I love this last one, so I'm going to save this first. I'm going to save this, Miriam, download again, and then this one right up here. I think I love this too. In fact, I love this except this one. I love the rest. So I'm going to download these two, and then I'll download these two. You can work with any of these templates here using the same process that I've used now, editing it exactly like I've shown you guys. You can go ahead and do the same for yourself. So guys, that is all for today's tutorial. See you in the next video tutorial. Bye guys.